Did you know that your imagination is a fourth dimensional superpower? The very stuff of creation. Well, I ask you to exercise that superpower for a moment as you imagine Earth in a time of pure unity and harmony, a golden age where all beings reflect the source of creation. Imagine it like a beautiful ethereal garden filled with fairy-like beings and mythical creatures, a realm of pure play, of vibrant colors where you can instantly create anything you want in a time of experimentation and joy. Now, imagine that this is not fantasy, that this was the eighth dimensional Earth before the Planetary Ascension game was set in motion. The game required that we descend down into the third dimension, where we could step out of our natural state of unity consciousness and experience duality, along with all the challenges that offers. During our show, we uncover how this was achieved. In undertaking this process, dark entities were also attracted to the Earth to feed off these energies, and they are still with us today, pulling the strings of humanity using fear, division, and disharmony to attempt to prevent us from realizing our true magnificent power. But their time is almost over, as can be witnessed by the growing chaos that surrounds us now. The poison is being drawn to the surface so that it can be healed. Everything is in divine order in this ascension game, regardless of external appearances. But remember, by 2030, there are two trains leaving the metaphorical consciousness station. Whether you are on the train tethered to old Earth energies or on the one heading to the new Earth depends entirely on the frequencies at which you resonate. So, in this hide and seek ascension game, it's good to remember that it's coming, ready or not. So, as with any game, it's good to know the rules. Join us on Sunday, 4 p.m. UK, 11 a.m. Eastern, and 8 a.m. Pacific to see if this all resonates as truth or deluded nonsense for you. We hope to see you there.